Xperia XZ2 Premium UK release confirmed and Sony flagship offers big camera upgrade. Sony has officially announced the launch of its new Xperia XZ2 Premium in the UK, with this device packing some top specs and a stunning dual-lens camera. Sony Xperia fans who are looking for an upgrade will soon be able to get their hands on the new Xperia XZ2 Premium. This device was first announced back in April and now it's finally arriving in Britain. The Japanese technology firm has just announced the launch of this new flagship in the UK, with customers able to pick one up from August 31st. And its headline feature is the all-new rear camera. This latest smartphone comes packed with a dual-lens rear snapper, which Sony is boasting is one of the most remarkable cameras ever made in a smartphone. Sony XZ2 Premium can reach a maximum ISO of 51,200 when shooting still photographs. Videos hit highs of 12,800 ISO. According to Sony, these impressive figures purportedly enable the XZ2 Premium to capture ultra-low light capture previously only seen in interchangeable lens cameras. With a double camera on the rear of the new Xperia, it allows users to add DSLR depth of field to their photos, plus you can record 960 fps super slow motion videos in HD or Full HD. Sony is keen to point out that XZ2 Premium is the only smartphone capable of both creating and viewing 4K HDR videos plus. That's because both the camera and 5.8-inch HDR display both include this ultimate pin-sharp technology. Along with great image quality and an improved screen, users will also be treated to a fast Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, powerful front-facing stereo speakers and a 3540 mAh battery which can be refilled wirelessly. The overall design follows the company's new ethos, with a curved glass and metal finish replacing the angular aluminium shape that had appeared on the Xperia brand since the original Xperia Z1. If you fancy taking delivery of this new phone, it will be available from August 31st in chrome black from EE and from £799 on Amazon.co.uk. Before you order, it's worth noting that Sony is likely to reveal more new phones in the coming weeks. The IFA Technology Show gets underway next week, and the Japanese technology firm always shows off refreshed devices at the Berlin event. Express.co.uk will be on the ground at IFA and will bring you all the news live as it happens.